All right, hey everybody. Welcome to the channel. I'm here at Premier RV Sales and Service of Oregon. They've been nice enough to let me walk through this country coach Allure 2007, the Cummins. So we'll do a quick little walkthrough around this thing and let you guys see what this looked like. So when this was built, I would have been the area manager of electrical services, which would have been a bunch of guys that did the troubleshooting at the end of the line and quality assurance through the middle. So we'll come in here. We got the front run box over here on the driver's side, just below the seat. Got the HWH brain in there, HWH slide room pump, and then the auxiliary air compressor, and chassis fuses, transmission brain, output module from the Allison, and the braking system there for the anti-lock brakes. And then we've got the generator slide here in and out. So I've taken the time to run this generator out already for you. So this is going to have the Awning 10K. It's going to have about 550 hours, so really low hours on that still. Nice little unit. We've got the windshield washer reservoir here for the wipers. And then the back sides of the headlights. That's pretty much everything on that part of it. It's got the LED clearance lights up there. Some more LED clearance lights thrown onto the side here. Then we'll come across here to the passenger side. Got the full pass-through bay here. Nice big slide tray, lots of room and storage in this coach. So you get that there. Then you're gonna have your propane tank gonna be in this bay. And then another full pass-through bay here again. So lots of storage in this coach. And then you've got the hydro hot, so when you have that running on diesel mode, to be able to heat the inside of the coach through the hydronic heating system. And then you got the drive axle and the tag axle. Here in this last bay, on the passenger side, is going to be where your house batteries are all located. And then your chassis batteries. And then your inverter charger. And a bunch of solenoids for the house disconnect and the battery boost. And engine fuses located here, and some house battery fuses and circuit breakers also. So that would be this bay. We'll come back here to the back. And we've got the fold up ladder here, so that way it folds up out of your way for the engine compartment access. Full width door here. And then you've got the Cummins ISL power plant, the side radiator on it. You got your hydraulic reservoir here for your cooling fan system. And then your engine radiator located here, and a fuel filter here. So that's going to be the engine compartment. We'll squeeze around through here in between the building. Be a nice plumbing bay. You got good access. Looks like you've got the macerator pump over here on the right hand side hooked up. You could always unhook that and go to the gravity, carry it around with you. You got your knife valves here. Pretty cool little country coach logo here in the middle. Turns on and off with the lights in the bay. Nice little water fixture here. You can hook a garden hose to the end of it and have hot and cold water out here. Another sprayer here, and then a hand soap pump, your gravity fill, and then your black and your gray tank flush, cable TV input, and your phone input, and your fresh tank fill valve here. And then you've got behind this door, it's going to be a water filter up here in the top corner, and then some access for the water pump down there in the corner. So that pretty much covers your plumbing bay. And then here we are with that full pass-through bay here. You're gonna have your transfer switch and your surge guard up here in the corner with another HWH brain for the rear ride system located there. And then another full pass-through bay again here. So lots of nice room on this coach. You've got the pull-out window awnings on the forward and the aft rooms here. And you make our way around to the other side. power over the door awning up here. And then you've got actually another power patio awning up on the end of the slide room here, which is really nice. Give you plenty of patio area to keep you out of the sun. Beautiful coach. We'll come on in here to the inside. Here we are at the driver's cockpit. It's going to have the VMS by Silverleaf, the vehicle management system. This coach has only got 26,481 miles. And you got your HWH keypad here for your auto leveling. And then some more chassis switches. And then your shift control here. Nice little cup holder. Keep a beverage in here while you're driving. So really nice cockpit. Gives you a good feel once you get that wheel tilted back. Get good view of the gauges. Kind of find your little sweet spot that you like that. So that's a beautiful deal here. You got single din Pioneer flip up here, but lots of room to go to a double din or one of the Halos brought to you by Alpine or Pioneer or Kenwood. So that kind of covers your driver's area. Seats are in pretty good shape. Get a little wear here on this edge. Gonna be transparent about that. So this passenger seat's in really good shape. We'll come up here in this cabinet. Gonna have your slide room controls here, some awning controls, and then your power antenna. And it looks like it's got an old track star system in it. It probably doesn't work. And then your antenna cable selector and your Pioneer CD changer for the radio. Looks like they got Velcroed in here, the remote for that Girard awning. And here, nice big cabinet. Tandem lined here in the bottom. Nice and finished off. Looks like we got the stock Sharp TV, so you could always go with an upgrade and fit a little bigger in there. On this side, the cabinet again, tandem lining. And then a nice big cabinet all the way across above the driver's seat. So this coach has got lots of storage just up here in the front area. You've got the 3 speakers in the very front. 2 of those are the dash speakers and the home theater. And then the center one for the home theater. And then it looks like we've got another 3 more speakers in the rear here. So we've got a 6.1 surround sound system with the subwoofer mounted here in the Galley. And then we've got a full audio video system. Hasn't been anything taken out of there quite yet. Still all the stock equipment. On the passenger side here, you've got a light switch. Turn on and off your ceiling lights and your step cover for the passenger. And then even a temperature control for the passenger for the air that's coming out of the dash. Nice convenient spot with an outlet there. So you can charge your phone while you're going down the road with the inverter going. Got the multiplex lighting switch here. Nice big cabinets again, all finished. No raw wood, plywood edges or anything like that. And come across, again, we're going to have that same nice big cabinet. And then we'll cruise along here. Big cabinet over the top of the Galley, plenty of room for some plates and storage and whatnot. And then you've got the Advantium convection microwave. A little storage across the top. Got the metal tray here for when you're doing that on the convection mode. And then a nice cabinet here. Fully lined adjustable shelf. You always do a pull out here and a pull out here if you'd like. Maybe give you a little more storage. Down below this, got some nice deep drawers here on this side. And then another one here on the very bottom. Got the propane cooktop with the 3 burners. Cooktop covers are here, sink covers are here. Some small scratches, I don't know if you can see them, but I mean, it's a used coach. But this could all be polished out and look brand new. Nice stainless steel sink. Got your regular household style faucet there. The tilt out again, so you can keep some sponges and cleaning things in there. And then here under the sink, like I said earlier, that subwoofer off to the right, and then a bunch of storage down here. And then it looks like we've got the flip out couch here. Looks like you just pull those cushions off. Might be a jackknife couch. Yep, looks to be. A single chair over here. Nice and casual, reclines back with the ottoman, little computer desk there, some nice storage in here. And then you've got the drawer here, and then another drawer here. And in the top of this computer desk, you get a little flip up. Gives you some outlets here, have some power. Be able to charge your phone in. So beautiful coach. It's got the 2-stage pull downs with the transparent, and then your blackout for in the evenings. So nice to have the manual blinds. You don't have to worry about the electric part of it going out. Keeps them going. Pull out dinette. Slides forward and aft too. Gets you a little more room back here in the corner. And then some nice storage up above it. All lined cabinets again. And then you've got the glassware cabinet here with the crystal. Still got the stickers on them, so I don't think they've been used. So it's got the nice little mood light there on the top of them. Got the nice cabinet again here for some more storage up high, all tandem lined. Going to be all the way across the top here. So just kind of shows you the salon here and the front area. Then we'll take it back here. Got the nice big double door Norcold refrigerator freezer with the ice maker up in the corner there. And then the double doors for the refrigerator portion of that. Really clean. And then here across from the refrigerator, some more cabinets. And then this lower section is going to be more cabinets too. So that's the very front. Then we'll come back here. We've got the toilet room. Get some more lights on in here for you. So you get the sink over here. And then the Tecma low water usage grinding toilet. And then on this other side, you're going to have a shower. Nice big shower, big skylight. Get you some natural lighting. If it's the evening, you've got the light over there on the side you can always kick on. I like the shower because it's got the nice little seat here or step to be able to wash your feet. Up here, you've got some nice places. So if you're parked for a while, you can store your soaps and what have you and shampoos. And then back here, we got another sink. Some storage below it. Nice deep drawers here. Pull out. I mean, what? And we talk deep. We're talking good 24 inches probably of storage. Same with the below it. And then the bar here. And then you've got the serial number log here, the coach number here. It actually looks like this is a 40-foot McKenzie bridge floor plan. So this would be a 40-footer with a tag axle. Nice coach. And then we come back into the bedroom here. Looks like we've got the queen bed. Nice big nightstands though on each side. Place to set your phone while it's charging. Then some cabinets across the very top up there. Not too deep that you got to worry about hitting your head on them or anything. But then some nice decent storage so you can put, you know, some folded up jeans, towels. And then over here on this side, up here, nice big storage. And then again, you're going to have the Sharp TV. We got the audio video system here in this cabinet with 5.1 surround sound here in the bedroom. And then below that, we're going to have some storage. And then a couple nice big drawers. Nice deep one here. And then we've got the cabinet up here. Your IntelliTech override switches here. In case your lighting system quits going. Behind this panel, back here in the bedroom, is going to be all your IntelliTech output modules that are going to have your fuses for all your ceiling lights and anything that turns on and off with the IntelliTech lighting. So behind this panel is where all those modules are. Down low here we've got the Splend washer dryer combo all in one, so you can do some laundry in the coach. And then you've got this nice big storage above it, so you got a place to put some things right out of the dryer there. And we've got the big closet across the back here with factory installed safe down here in the bottom of the closet. Looks like we've got the 2 additional folding chairs to go up there at the dinette. And then a nice bar up here across the top, so that way you can hang some long stuff. And then you've got the bar again here, so you can hang some more long stuff, and a little shelf for extra shoes. So that pretty much covers this good old coach here, the 2007 Country Coach Allure. I want to thank Premier RV Sales of Oregon for letting me come and give you these walkthroughs on these coaches. I hope everybody's having a great day. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and maybe watch some of my other videos, trying to get those watch times up. I hope these videos are good for you all, and I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again. Till next time. Bye-bye.